Hello, good morning. Welcome to English class. This one we'll be looking at a simple and interesting topic titled phrase or phraseology. And when we talk about phrase, as we all know, phrase is the unit of the sentence. A phrase is a unit of a sentence. So this simply means that within the content of a sentence, we can derive a phrase. And as a matter of fact, despite that they look down on the concept of phrase performs some grammatical functions. Now, by definition, we can say that a phrase may be defined as any group of English words which does not expresses a complete thought. And the reason why a phrase cannot express a complete thought is because it lacks what we call finite verb. And most of the time, phrase cannot be analyzed in terms of syntax. And that's why we say that a phrase are a group of English words that cannot be analyzed in terms of syntax because it does not express a complete meaning, or it cannot be expressed without other components of a sentence. And that's why we can say that a phrase is a unit of a sentence. So a phrase can be analyzed within the contents of a sentence. Now, on top of phrase, we also have types of phrase or phrases. Types of phrases. One, we have what we call noun phrase. Then two, we have what we call adjectival phrase. And then thirdly, we have what we call prepositional phrase. And the fourth one, which is what we're talking about, is what we call adverbial phrase. So each of these phrases perform grammatical function within the content of the element of grammar or part of speech. So to begin, we'll be looking at noun phrase. And when we talk of noun phrase, in noun phrase, the head word is usually a noun word. And that's why it's called a noun phrase. The head word, the main word that defines the group of the phrase or the phraseology is usually a noun. For example, we can say that the boy, the boy without other units or words that support this two words, the article there and boy as a noun, then this expression is meaningless because there's no meaning that can be attached to these two words or to this group of words. And as a matter of fact, we cannot analyze the boy in terms of grammar or in terms of syntax because there's no predicates or verb and there's no object to it, so we cannot analyze it. So the head word, the major word that defines these two is the boy. And of course, under the part of speech or element of speech or ABC of English language, board is under noun class. That's what we say under the noun phrase, the head word or the root word or the major word is usually a noun. So thank you very much. Now let's start with talking about the temporal phrase. So kindly subscribe for more of our videos.